Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 277 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about the quiet pause, those small moments where we stop, breathe, and let the world slow down. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice the stillness between each breath. That quiet pause is where calm lives. Now, say to yourself, I welcome the quiet. I let myself pause, and stillness restores me. Let each pause remind you that you don't need to rush. Peace is here in the silence. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of calm pause with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.